Hey everyone, welcome back to Mel Beezy Eats. My name is Melissa in case you are new, and today I will be eating sushi and buffalo wings. So I went to Safeway, which is just our grocery store here, and I picked up some sushi because I was really craving it, but then I was like, ooh, wings sounds really good too. So I decided to get both. So here's the sushi. I'm pretty sure this is just a tempura roll because I saw, tempura shrimp on the top there. I did eat one already, so one piece is missing. Then there's some ginger, and then here are the wings. And then here I have some ranch, and then here I have soy sauce with wasabi. I like to dip my sushi in soy sauce with wasabi. So that's what I have right here. So yummy. I'm really hungry, you guys. It's 12:30 right now, and I haven't had anything to eat all day. All I had today was coffee, so I'm really hungry. So good. So in here, I think it's just the shrimp tempura, cucumber. I don't know if there's anything else in there. And then of course the seaweed, the rice, and then there's sauce on top. I think it's like spicy mayo. This is lime sparkling water. So I've never tried the wings from Safeway, so let's give this a try. Have some ranch. Yeah, these are pretty good. They're nice and tender. It's really good. They're not spicy though. They're just like mild, I guess. You guys, I love wings. They're so good. Do you guys like sushi? If you do, what kind of sushi do you like? I love all kinds of sushi, like raw fish, rolls. My favorite roll is a spider roll, which is a soft shell crab. So good. So yeah, today is Wednesday, no, Thursday. I think today is Thursday. Yeah, today is Thursday. I'm filming this on my lunch break. So happy Thursday, everyone. We're almost through the week. Tomorrow is Friday. I'm super excited. The kids have another band competition this Saturday. They're gonna be performing so late. So last Saturday, they performed at, I think it was 8:30, and this time they're going on at 9:15. They're going to be the last performance of the night again. but this time it's going to be at a school. It's a little bit farther away from where we live. So they'll get home like really late. Because after all the performances, there's going to be an award show, but you have to wait because they still have to do the judging. So you have to wait for the judges to complete their judging. And then they'll do the presentation of the awards. And then the kids still have to take the bus home. So they'll get home like really late. And they did so good last weekend, you guys. They took home 7 trophies. They did really good. But this week is going to be harder for them because more schools are going to be in this competition. I think last weekend there were 12 schools, but I think they said this weekend there's 25. So it's a harder competition. Oh, and this weekend, actually tomorrow, Maleficent Part 2 comes out. I'm so excited. Maleficent, she's one of my favorite villains. And like, I'm not really into the live action movies except for Maleficent. It's really like the only one that I really love. So I think we might watch it this Sunday. We'll see. We'll see what we end up doing. You guys plan on watching it? Let me know. Last wing. I like these because they're tender. Like sometimes when you get wings, they're like too hard or like too crunchy, or I don't know. These are just easy to eat. So right now, we're gonna do it this weekend. On Sunday, I'm gonna rearrange my room, my furniture. And I got a new headboard for our bed. Right now, we don't have a headboard. We just have like the mattress and the box spring. So I'm super excited, you guys. It's so pretty. And I wanna get some new nightstands to match. Oh, and I need new bedding too, because right now my blanket or our comforter, it's a Christmas comforter. It's red, like plaid. And I use that all year, you guys. So that's definitely not gonna match our new furniture. Well, just the headboard. We're not getting all new furniture, just the headboard and nightstands. So I wanna find some really nice bedding that'll match. I love ginger, so good. Okay, this is the last piece. It's falling apart. Let's see, I'm gonna use my hands, you guys. Last piece of ginger. That was so good. That is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye, everyone.